I'm Nusa Yaqub, Senior Product Manager at Festo. I'm here at Pack Expo together with my colleague Binu from Siemens and also Colm Gavin, who will join us later. Behind us we have the Digitalization Demo that highlights our multi-carrier system used in conjunction with our 2D gantry, the EXCT, and also a KUKA robot. And what we're showing here in this demo system is how the multi-carrier can be used with a 2D Cartesian robot to carry out the third axis function. So basically for pick and place, even for path contouring and so on. Also, we have the KUKA robot that's tied in with the motion control system, and what we're demonstrating here is that a robot could be synchronized with our carriers to carry out tasks on the fly, so reducing cycle time, increasing throughput. I'm going to now pass it over to my colleague Binu to talk a little bit about the control system.
Thanks, Nusa. Let me tell you quickly about the control system that is guiding the multi-carrier system. We have the Dynamics range of Siemens servo drive. The unique selling point here for the multi-carrier is we are using standard components off the shelf available at distributors and all across the world to control the multi-carrier system. We have the line modules and the motor modules controlling the linear servo axes, and if you see the gantry and the linear motors are all tied up to the one Profinet bus, which gives you performance and fast speed. If you look at from the control engineering point of view, the engineering platform that is used here is called the TIA portal. That's one engineering interface for motion control, safety, logic, and even high-end control coordinated motion like the multi-carrier system. We have a really nice library that is available to configure the multi-carrier system. With the multi-carrier system you can have a lot of motors, but it's really easy using the library to have so many motors but configure them quickly and easily into a configuration that you see here as of now.
Thank you, Nusa. My name is Colm Gavin. I'm from Siemens Factory Automation Digitalization team, and I'm going to talk to you today about our digital twin of production. With Industry 4.0, one of the main things that we like to talk about is a digital twin of a machine that you can design and simulate before anything is actually built. If we look behind us here at the Festo 2D gantry moving, we're able to simulate that ahead of time in this model. We begin with any CAD model, whether it's SolidWorks, AutoCAD or CATIA, and bring it into our NX CAD modeling software. Within this software, we're then able to apply animations to the static 3D model. And very important is that those 3D animations, they can be triggered within the software to do the movements like the gantry shows. And once the mechanical engineer is satisfied with those movements, then the automation engineer, we can import in the I/O tags from our virtual PLC running. And with our virtual PLC Sim Advanced program, we're able to import the tags from the PLC program and communicate. So we have a virtual PLC connected to a virtual model, as well as also a virtual HMI. So I can control the machine and I can see as closest to reality as possible how the machine is really behaving. And important to note, this is not any movie you're looking at. This is a 3D model of the actual, an animation of the actual 3D model that's been driven by the I/O signals coming from the virtual PLC. What does this mean? The value in this is that the automation engineer can work much sooner with the mechanical engineer to verify his sequence of operations, to verify all the error handling, before a single piece of metal is cut to even build the machine. In addition, we can use this technology with the virtual HMI to train the operator. How should the machine run with the virtual HMI, because he can see physically how the machine will move. And lastly then, we can use this technology to promote our machine, because we have a player version of this tool, so we can go to customers and we can demonstrate to them how the machine will really run based off the real code running on the PLC and a virtual HMI to operate the machine. So that is the value of a digital twin of production from Siemens and Festo together.
So thank you very much, Colm, for a nice presentation. Please visit us on our website We have a web landing page dedicated to the multi-carrier system technology. There are lots of application information and performance data. Thank you.